Basic trigonomic ratios. So this is the SOHCAHTOA. So we have sine, S-I-N-E. It's also usually written S-I-N, but technically there is an E at the end of it. Cosine, which is written as C-O-S often, and tangent, T-A-N. Okay, so sine and cosine are very similar, but they both use the hypotenuse. So if you ever have the hypotenuse as one of your ratios, or one of the numbers that you know, you're going to use sine or cosine. If hypotenuse is not being asked for or is missing, then tangent is what you're going to be using. That's when you use the legs. Sine is opposite, so we have our theta down here. Opposite over hypotenuse. So if this is a 3 and this is a 5, it'd be 3 over 5. And then adjacent, or sorry, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So our hypotenuse, the denominator stays the same. So it'll still be a 5 in the bottom, and let's say that our adjacent is a 4. So it'll be 4 over 5. And tangent is opposite over adjacent. So that'd be 3 over 4 in this sample triangle. Remember, hypotenuse is always in the denominator. And I like to think that opposite is never in the denominator. Two things that kind of help you memorize everything. So write the following trigonomic ratios for angle x. So angle x is down here. So sine, remember sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So we get opposite is 8, hypotenuse is 10. And that can be simplified to 4 over 5, technically. So I'm going to do that. All right, there should probably be an equal sign in here. Boom. There you go. Cosine of x. Well, remember, cosine is just simply the adjacent. So now we have 6, and it's still over our hypotenuse. And this can simplify into 3 over 5. And finally, tangent. See if I can erase. Already erased it. So tangent is opposite over the adjacent. So it'd be 8 over 6. And that can simplify into 4 over